we really need to step up how we think about the education component and really accelerate what we're doing. So one example of what we're doing is in that regard is our Inspire program. But these are really about bringing some of that entrepreneurial mindset into a broad base of learners to make sure that they have something on their CV that can demonstrate that think in that way.
One of the real challenges that now we have at European level is exactly not only creating the bunch of competencies and skill, but also how to accelerate them.
These programs are focused on entrepreneurship skills within the food system. So the program I'm talking about is one of a few in a portfolio of EIT Inspire schools.
Several activities with many thousand students taking part and giving them the opportunity to have access, so really deep knowledge, new competencies, and having also contact with stakeholders, really important and really supportive for the future activities and professionalism.